One most important problem, mathematics 2B, 4th chapter, ellipse, example number 6, page number 155. Most important question. Show that the points of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. Show that the points of intersection of the perpendicular tangents to an ellipse lie on a circle. Show that the points of intersection of the perpendicular tangents to an ellipse lie on a circle. So here equation of the ellipse. Equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here the points of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. This is the ellipse diagram. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the first equation of the tangent. This is the second equation of the tangent to the ellipse. This is the point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. Perpendicular tangent means the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. Here we prove that here P is the point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. We prove P lies on a circle. P lies on a circle. So here P of x1 comma y1 be any point. P of P of x1 comma y1 be any point. Here observe here, this is the first tangent, this is the second tangent. Let m1 is the slope of the first tangent, m2 is the slope of the second tangent. Here two lines are perpendicular. If the two lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes is equal to -1. If two lines are perpendicular, then their product of the slopes is equal to -1. So, first of all find the equation of the tangents. First of all find the equation of the tangents. Find the m1 and m2 values and equating -1 and getting the answer. So, here first of all m is the slope of the two lines. Let us slope m is the slope of the two lines. So first of all here find the equation of the tangents to the ellipse having slope m. M is the slope of the first line and second line. Here m is the common slope. M is the common slope of the two lines. So find the equation of the tangents. Equation of the tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, having slope m is y is equal to mx plus or minus under root of a square m square plus b square. This is the equation of the tangents. Plus or minus. Plus means first tangent, minus means second tangent. Here let m is the common slope of the two lines. Here two lines are passing through the point px1, y1. So the above lines passing throw px1 y1. Substitute y equal to y1, x is equal to x1. So y1 is equal to mx1 plus or minus under root of a square m square plus b square. Taking mx1 left side, y1 minus mx1 is equal to plus or minus under root of a square m square plus b square. Squaring on both sides, y1 minus mx1 whole square equal to plus or minus under root of a square m square plus b square whole square. A minus b whole square. A square y1 square b square m square x1 square minus 2ab 2 into x1 into y1 into m 2x1 y1 m is equal to plus square plus minus square plus square root to cancel. So remaining value a square m square plus b square. Taking a square m square plus b square left side, y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2x1 y1 m minus a square m square minus b square equal to 0. Common into two terms, m square common. x1 square minus a square into m square. m square common, x1 square minus a square minus 2x1 y1 m plus remaining value y1 square minus b square equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in m. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in m. Here a is equal to x1 square minus a square, b is equal to minus 2x1 y1, c is equal to y1 square minus b square. This is a quadratic equation in m. Let m1 comma m2 are the roots of the above equation. m1 comma m2 are the roots of the above equation. Number 1, find the sum of the roots, and second one, find the product of the roots. Sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. So m1 plus m2 is equal to minus b. b is equal to minus 2x1 y1 minus into minus plus 2x1 y1 a. is equal to x1 square minus a square. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. So m1 into m2 is equal to c y1 square minus b square by a x1 square minus a square. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. So c means y1 square minus b square. A means x1 square minus a square. Observe here clearly. Here two tangents are perpendicular. If the two lines are perpendicular, if the two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus e square is equal to minus 1. Taking this value right side, y1 square minus b square equal to minus of x1 square minus a square. y1 square minus b square equal to minus x1 square minus into minus plus a square. Taking x1 square left side, b square right side. x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square plus b square. This is a circle. It can be write into x1 square plus y1 square equal to root of a square plus b square plus root of a square plus b square whole square. This is the form of x square plus y square equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the equation representing a circle. So Px1 comma y1 be a point lies on the circle. So write in the points of intersection of the perpendicular tangents to an ellipse lie on a circle. X square plus y square is equal to under root of a square plus b square whole square. This is the answer. The point of write down the point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents to an ellipse lie on a circle. X square plus y square equal to under root of a square plus b square whole square. This is the proof.